to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite childhood treats. It's Limber de Coco, or coconut icy in English. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I've already set up all my ingredients here that I'm gonna need to make this coconut icy, or Limber de Coco like we call it. You're gonna need 1 can of evaporated milk. I already have everything open, so you need 1 can of coconut milk. I use reduced fat, and I'm trying to watch my figure. Okay, you need 1 can of cream of coconut. Okay. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup of sugar, and measure it out and put it in here. 1/2 cup of water. And you're gonna need some cinnamon. Can you see that? Cinnamon. And vanilla extract. Okay. Alright, and of course, your blender to mix everything up. Alright, here we go. So you're gonna pour the entire can in your blender. You're gonna empty every single can in completely, okay? Put in your sugar. And guys, you can use whatever sugar you like. You don't have to use regular, I just granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar, I mean whatever to your tasting. Or even stevia or whatever it is, that fancy stuff that's out there now. Here's your water. Alright. Now you need a tablespoon. Okay, so you're going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon. Alright. To the side, also you're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Easy. Okay. Put this to the side. Cover. Okay, and now you blend it. You just want to blend it to mix it. You don't have to make it like smooth or anything. There's not really a consistency. I suggest that you taste it. Let me grab a spoon. This way you know if you want to add more sugar, or if it's too sweet, maybe you want to add a little more water. That's perfect for me. Okay, let's take this off of here. Get this out of the way. Okay, so now you're just going to take your mixture, and I mean you could put it into, I use these little cups. These are like 7-ounce cups. Yeah. Okay. And it'll probably make about 8 of these. Or if you want, you could put it in little ice molds, or I don't know, I have my kids. Oh, geez, just wash it. But yeah, these little things make little popsicle things. Yeah, you can put it in one of those, but today I'm using cups. Okay, oh, let me get this out of here. We don't need that. Alright, so when I fill up my little cups, I try to get it not all the way to the top. Like maybe, if you look, this has like little things on there. Just want to leave a good amount of space on top. Alright, just keep going. Mix it up a little bit. little one for me. Okay. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now this has to go in the freezer. I suggest you do it overnight, and because it takes about, I would say, 4 or 5 hours to really get nice and hard. And yeah, then you enjoy it, you eat it. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and then I will be back. YouTube magic, you know, show you how it looks. Okay, guys. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Look at that. Made some last night, so yeah, it's really good. Ready? You want to try it, Lion?
Yeah.
How good it is. Let's see.
It's so hard to push into.
Oh, mine are good. Good. Okay, Melania likes it. It's awesome. So guys, everything you need, all the ingredients, will be linked in the description box. Try it. Let me know how do you like it. Like always, like, share, and subscribe the video. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.